Welcome to The Everyday AI, where artificial intelligence becomes a part of your daily life. Are you curious about AI but not sure where to start? Or maybe you're looking to integrate AI tools into your everyday routines. Here at The Everyday AI, we demystify the world of artificial intelligence with easy-to-understand tutorials, practical guides, and the latest AI insights. From crafting the perfect ChatGPT prompt to exploring AI's role in fitness, healthcare, and more, we've got you covered. Join our community of AI enthusiasts and experts. Share your experiences, ask questions, and grow with us in the exciting world of AI. Don't miss out, subscribe to The Everyday AI, and turn the future of tech into your present. Let's explore the potential of AI together.